MongoDB visualization, tools for insightful reports. In the age of data-driven decisions, MongoDB is a popular NoSQL database. Its flexibility and scalability make it valuable. But the true value of data lies in its interpretation. Visualization tools are key. They turn MongoDB's raw data into insights. Understanding MongoDB's data structure. MongoDB's schema-less design is flexible for data storage, but it poses challenges for visualization. Unlike traditional relational databases, MongoDB stores data in JSON-like documents within collections. Visualization tools process these data structures with speed. They must process and display nested data and aggregations. To choose the right visualization tools, understand MongoDB's data model. MongoDB Aggregation Framework. The MongoDB Aggregation Framework is a powerful tool for summarizing and analyzing data. It allows for complex data changes and groupings. These are key for making useful visualizations. The aggregation framework has stages like $match, $group, $sort, and $project. They let users tailor data for reporting. The aggregation framework is vital for accurate, relevant visualizations. Visualization tools for MongoDB. Tableau has a reputation for its strong data visualization capabilities. Its MongoDB connector lets users connect to MongoDB. Power BI. Microsoft's Power BI can connect to MongoDB. It can use custom connectors or third-party tools. It provides a wide array of visualization options and interactive features. Kibana. Kibana, part of the Elastic Stack, is for visualizing data in Elasticsearch. However, it can also be integrated with MongoDB using connectors or data pipelines. Best practices for MongoDB visualization. Know your data. Before making visualizations, understand the data's structure and content. This means knowing the data types, field relationships, and the report's purpose. Choose the right visualization type. Different types of visualizations serve different purposes. Line charts are best for trends over time. Pie charts are better for showing proportions. Use aggregations wisely. Leverage MongoDB's aggregation framework to pre-process data before visualization. Aggregating data can simplify complex datasets. Conclusion. In conclusion, MongoDB's flexible data model and strong aggregation framework support data visualization. With the right tools, businesses can turn MongoDB's data into reports and dashboards. They will be insightful. Good visualization requires understanding the data, no matter the tool. This includes Tableau, Power BI, Grafana, Kibana, and Metabase. As data drives decisions, mastering MongoDB visualization is key. It will help organizations stay competitive and make informed choices.